Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you an example of our work. A lot of times people say, hey, can you do it? Yeah, I think we can do it. Ray, can we do it?
We can do it.
All day long. So we're working on some cleanup right now, but working on an active network. I just wanted to show you the punches that we do. This is typical work that we do for layer out. Sometimes we have a lacing bar, but depending on the equipment, it really just is a la carte. Vertical cable managers, horizontal cable managers, stubbins, bushings, penetration, if the GCs aren't there, D-rings, stubbins from up above, different floors, cable tray, oh my goodness, done right. So again, a lot of times people ask us what our capabilities are. It's good. I really don't like it when they do that. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys bolted down racks. And if you can, make sure you have the investment of these. It really makes it better. I'll show you a couple different examples. So if you have any, this is customers too. So if you guys have any access, security, fiber jobs that you need done, give us a call, 877-832-1206. Love it.